From the management and the CEO, we are told to revisit frequency count and percentage, in the sense that there's need to run frequency count analysis. So you know how to use Excel for frequency count and percentage. Now, for this class, I'll be using this qualitative data where we have the HR list, okay, for this class, the HR list. And if you look at it, we have the staff name, we have the department, the respective departments of the staff, and we have their role. We also have the the salary scale, the salary, okay, the range or the scale or the amount of which the people are taking. Now, I want to run a descriptive analysis in this time around frequency count, okay, and percentage. And I know in one of the class I showed you on how to use count if, okay. So we will be having that right away, because from the descriptive analysis we did, you notice that Excel did not give us the frequency count, just the mean of it, okay, the mean of it, and the median and some other things. So we want to progress by showing you how to have frequency count from your data set. Should, in case you have a quantitative analysis and you have entered your data, okay, either quantitative or qualitative, you should be able to use the count if function to be able to know the frequency and then the percentage. So now what I want to do is I want to know how many are manager, how many are officer, how many are rep, and then how many are, is it okay? We have manager. Let's just use the, I want to run for this role. This is role, okay. And then we have manager, we have officer, we have rep, we have what again? I guess that is all. We have just manager, rep, officer, like that, okay. So we can do that. We put equal to count if, and then you open, select the range. This is it. This is our range, okay, comma, and you put what we are looking for in bracket. We are looking for, sorry, in quotes, we are looking for, you know, that is the wrong column. I'll correct it, okay. Manager, close it, close the quotes. All right, let me drag this down, I need it here. Otherwise reducing, okay, C4, okay, C4 to 616. You can, if you, in case you want to add more, you can do that, okay. All right, let me quickly cancel this. Put frequency here. There's the frequency count, okay, frequency count. Now we come here, you can drag down and edit later, okay. Let's edit this. This time around we have here officer, 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 okay. Let's start from C4 to 616, okay. Where is the range? Then we have 4 for that 2, and then this rep. Let's see, C4, and yeah, yeah, okay. Let's look at this. You have rep. Let's change this to C4, please. C4 to C16, okay. Then you press enter. Now we have 4, 4, 4. It means we have 16. We have 12 rather, okay. So let me just quickly add something so that this can change. I want to add the name. Wasil. Assume that Wasil is in HR. That's the department of Wasil. Okay. Then we we have let's assume he's also an officer. Assume who again? Okay, we can stop there. Let me just stop there. Salary is 110. Okay, so I can correct this to 17. Can correct this to 17. Also 17. Okay, can correct this. So notice that's changed to 17. All right, so now let's look for total here. If you like, you can use count all, but I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to use my sum. Come to your formula bar here, click on the drop down, click on sum, and then the range has been selected K3 to K5. Okay, then we have 13. Now let's get the percentage. This is the percentage. Okay, now percentage is this over this multiplied by 100. So we do this using numerator. I'm not going to, I'll just show you straight. Divide, I slash 13 and press enter. Then percentage, look at it, click on percentage, 31%. Then we can drag down, let's see. I'll correct this, see, because it does not recognize it. Okay, this is D4, this is K4 over K7. Is this K7? Is this K? This is K6. Okay, so let's just correct this K6. Okay, this is K6, not K8. Okay, and this will be 100. So this is K6. All right, so now successfully calculate the frequency count and the percentage. Should in case you want to add average, okay, you can do that too. Let's add average here. Now to do that, the then to add average here because this is a don't let me add average here, okay, because I have multiple things to come correct to compete with. Okay, let's use this here, average of the whole thing. Okay, this is it, the average of these three, not with the total. Okay, please look for average. Look for average, average, average. Can we have average here? I'm not seeing average here. Okay, so click on the more function and search for average. Okay, search for average, click on go, let's look at average. Okay, click on OK, then we'll select what we need is K. Let's cancel there, and select these three, cancel this. Okay, then press OK. Now our average is 4.33. You can approximate, you can using this come to number on that home. You see this, look at this, is reducing, right? So we can make it 2 decimal place. So successfully we have been able to run a frequency count on this. All right, I also love to show us how to run comparison. Okay, we are asked to compare between the department and their role. Okay, let's see if we can use this. Let's use these two, that is department and role. You select it, go to insert. Okay, you go to insert, then you look for illustration. Okay, let's not use illustration, sorry, let's use bar charts. Use it usually for comparison. Okay, this is bar charts. This is showing, not seeing it, 60%, 40% respectively. Okay, that's not giving me what I want. Okay, let's come here. Okay, so though I'm not having value, so let's see, there's no value in the comparison. Okay, let's use histogram and see. You see, because there is no value, you're unable to run a comparison. Is that okay? So that is that there's no value, and that is why you are not seeing anything on our chart. Assuming we have a value on our chart alongside, it would have been easy for we to be able to do that. So since we don't have, we're going to do something. We use our analysis to run the the charts. Is that okay, please? All right. All right, let's do this. We have the role and the rep. So let's run a chart with this. We start, then see this. Let's look for another one. All right. So we see manager, officer, and rep. All right. Now, we're seeing the relation. You can see the officer has more frequency compared compared to. Let me bring this down. Okay. Then we can change a chart type here. Okay, that's why I want this a color. I don't like the color. All right. All right. So I have a more beautiful color. Okay. If you want your value to appear, your frequency count to appear on it. Okay. You can see the analysis on the charts as well. Okay. So if you want to look at it, you can use this to look at manager is 5, this is 4, this is 4 as well. Okay. So that is how to run a descriptive, sorry, frequency count analysis. Okay. Frequency count and percentage average on your worksheets, either with qualitative or quantitative analysis. For those of us who is running quantitative analysis, what you do is you enter your data. If your data is scale, for instance, maybe you're using ordinal data, strongly agree, agree, disagree, not strongly disagree. That is ordinal data. They are ranked. Or you are using nominal data. It's also a categorical view, but they are not ranked, like male and gender. Okay, you can also do that. Calculate the frequency count, the percentage. I can plot it on your chart. You can compare together. Okay. Thank you for listening for to tonight's class. We advise to please look at it, play around your worksheet, and do well to subscribe. Thank you.